Hello everyone, are you in the mood to crochet a beautiful star in just 5 minutes? Whether as decoration, for gifts or for your Christmas tree, this little star is quick to make and perfect for beginners. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to crochet the 5-minute star. You only need some yarn, a crochet hook and a little time. And in the end, you'll have a result to be proud of. These 2 little stars I crocheted with very thin yarn. I usually use such thin yarn for sock knitting. As you can see, you can also use up your sock yarn scraps. I've also crocheted the stars with leftover yarn. It's the same pattern, but with slightly thicker yarn. And today I'll be demonstrating with even thicker yarn so you can see everything clearly. No magnifying glass needed. So grab your crochet hook and some yarn and let's get started. I begin with a magic ring. If you're not familiar with the magic ring, feel free to check out my video tutorial on how to make it. You'll find the link in the video description. Alternatively, you can crochet 4 or 5 chain stitches and join them with a slip stitch to form a ring. Let's start again with the magic ring. I cross the ends. Be careful, the short end goes at the back. Then I pull the yarn through and crochet 1 chain to secure it. Now into this magic ring I work 6 single crochets. All the details, such as which yarn I'm using, which crochet hook or the written instructions, can be found in the video description as always. I close the round with a slip stitch. Round 2. Chain 2. In the same stitch I work a 2 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull it through, yarn over again and pull it through 2 loops. Repeat this process 1 more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull it through. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Finally, yarn over and pull through all the remaining loops on the hook. Chain 3. In the next stitch work a 3 double crochet cluster. yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull it through 2 loops and stop. Repeat this process one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull it through 2 loops and stop again. Do it one more time. Through 2 loops and stop. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Chain 3. Repeat this for the entire round. In the next stitch, work a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. In the next stitch, work a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3. In the next stitch, the same. In the next stitch, the same. Close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the cluster. Round 3, our final round. Into the next chain space, 1 single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet, and repeat this in the next space. One single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, into the next space 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. I'm pretty sure you already know what comes next. In the next space, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Repeat this for the entire round. I close the round with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and pull it through. Once you've woven the ends, you can also stiffen your star to make it hold its shape even better. I'm currently using fabric stiffener for this and it works wonderfully. I simply use a brush to apply a little fabric stiffener to the star. If you've got a free thumb thread now, I really appreciate a thumbs up. Let it dry for a bit and your beautiful star is ready. I hope you had as much fun crocheting as I did. It's really amazing how quickly you can make such a lovely star. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your crocheting and have a wonderful creative time. Until next time and all the best, your Andrea.